why should you convert DVDs to MP4? Let's find out together. In this video, we're gonna talk about the DVD videos, or the cases where DVDs are used to store video files, because you can also store different kind of data on a DVD, ranging from documents, images, installer files, or any other files. So let's look at a few reasons why it's good to convert a DVD to MP4. I think we're way past those times where you could play a DVD basically anywhere you went if you had a film or a video on a DVD. I mean, anytime you went over to your friends' houses, the chances were that you were able to play the DVD you wanted to show them. But not anymore. Not even computers or laptops have DVD players and readers anymore, and people are throwing out the DVD players from their homes because they just don't need them anymore. Not to mention, the DVD video format is much smaller than the resolution of the TVs we have today, so watching a normal DVD video on a Full HD or 4K TV just doesn't make sense. I mean, just to demonstrate, this is the resolution of a DVD video, and then this is Full HD, and then here is 4K. So if you store a lot of family videos or old films and DVDs that you would want to watch in the future, it's better to convert them into MP4 and store them on a device that you will for sure be able to open in, let's say, 10 years from now. I mean, it would be a plot twist if that platform would still be a DVD, but right now it's for sure easier if you have these video files in the format of MP4 that you can carry even on your smartphone. You can upload it in the cloud and share across all sorts of devices, because MP4 is compatible with everything. And that takes us to the next reason, which is portability. Storing a lot of video files or movies on DVDs takes up a lot of space, physical space. If you're from the age of DVDs, you sure had those shelves and DVD stands where you kept your DVDs. But storing the same amount of videos and films in the format of MP4 takes up practically zero physical space if you store them in the cloud. But even if you put them on a hard drive, it also only takes up like this much space. I mean, compare it to an entire shelf. This one is a 2 terabytes hard drive. A DVD can store films and video files up to 4.5 gigabytes. Now, if you did the math, that's around 500 DVDs that this can store. And one more thing regarding portability, while obviously you can carry around DVDs, they can get scratched easily, and if they get scratched so bad, you might not even be able to access the films on them anymore. And again, this is much easier to carry around. And reason number 3 is safekeeping the videos that you store on DVDs. We partially have already touched this topic, but let's elaborate on it a bit more. So it is unknown at the moment which platform will prove to be the most trusted and safe in terms of storing data in the long term. Maybe a DVD will be better than an external HDD or SSD, but one thing is sure, you should always store your most important files at least in 2 separate places. And when it comes to important family videos on old DVDs, for example, it's the best first step to convert them into MP4, which then you can store anywhere else, making sure that these memories will not be lost to technology. Okay, now that we have a few reasons to convert DVDs to MP4, let's go ahead and see how it's actually done. The software we're gonna use is the Wondershare UniConverter 15, which has an ultra-fast converter tool that can convert DVDs to MP4 with lightning speed. If you don't have the UniConverter yet, make sure to try it, and to download it, you'll find links in the description below. So once you have the UniConverter open, click on the converter tool from the main interface. Then up here, click on the DVD icon and insert your DVD. If your DVD has menus and separate video files on it, the UniConverter will recognize all of them individually and import the files one by one. Now, before actually converting the files, you have the option to edit them. If you hover your cursor on the video thumbnails and click on the scissors icon, you can trim the video files. You can also crop them, apply effects to them, mess with audio settings, and so on. Once you're done with that part, select the output format to be MP4. You can leave the settings the same as source, and after selecting an output folder, you can click on Start All. The UniConverter will convert DVD files into MP4 in the matter of seconds. And once it's finished, you can do whatever you'd like with these new MP4 files. Now, just in case you have more faith in DVDs and when it comes to safekeeping, you want to burn your video files onto DVDs, let's check out how to do that with the UniConverter. First of all, from the Tools menu, click on the DVD burner. Import the MP4 files you want to burn on the DVD. Now, you find the DVD settings on the right side of the interface. You can set up the DVD label, menu type, aspect ratio, format, and quality. You can choose a menu out of 40 templates or can customize your own. Just like in the converter function, you can edit the video files before burning them onto the DVD. You can trim them, crop them, add effects, set colors, and so on. You can even add subtitles. And when you're all set, choose your burner settings up here and click on Burn. And that's it. Super easy, like everything with the UniConverter 15. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more video making related content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.